Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I decided to make some lentil soup because it's really cold in New York. It's 18 degrees here and we had snow yesterday. So I'm making something to warm my bones. But just in case you never had lentil soup, I'm going to show you how to make it my way. Now, lentil soup is made a lot of ways. There's a million recipes online on how to make lentil soup, but this is how I like to make mine. I'm using 1 cup of lentil soup that I washed already. I'm using 1 large potato. I'm using half of a red pepper, half of a green pepper, 1 small onion. I'm using a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. You can use tomato sauce if you want to. I'm using 1 carrot. I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pack of chicken broth, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3 garlic cloves, and some ham pieces. Now, you can leave the ham out if you want to. You can use smoked turkey if you want to flavor your beans. If I had smoked turkey, I would use it today, but I don't have any. So I have some ham left in my refrigerator, so that's what I'm going to use to flavor my beans. So let's get started. Adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to start frying up all my vegetables. I'm adding the peppers, the onions, the garlic, and the carrots in the same pot. And to that, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Adding 4 cups of water to the pot. I'm adding my dry seasoning. Into this pot, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add some chopped up green peppers, red peppers, onion, garlic, some cilantro, and parsley. And I'm going to make basically a sofrito with this that I'm cooking here. So I'm going to add some tomato paste to this, and add the ham, and then I'm going to put all of this in the pot. Okay, so to this, I'm going to add the ham pieces directly in the pot. And I'm only putting a little bit of ham just for flavoring. I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add this to the pot. Now I'm going to add my potatoes and let this cook down for 45 minutes to an hour. I wish you guys could smell what my kitchen smells like right now. It smells like heaven, absolutely heaven. I'm going to let this cook down for about 45 minutes to an hour. So it's been an hour, so this should be ready. Let me just check and see how everything looks. Oh, it looks really good. Okay, so now I'm going to serve this up. This looks absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to serve my soup. I'm going to add some crackers to this, just to have on the side. And for lunch, this is all I'm having. This is a very filling soup because it has everything inside there. Well guys, this is my delicious lentil soup. And I'm having it with just some crackers on the side. And I love making soup because you can do so much with soup. You know, you can put whatever you want to put in it and you can't go wrong. Well guys, once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.